So how exactly do you build a skyscraper? Let's get into it. Imagine trying to build over 2,000 apartments. Where would you even start? Well, it all begins with a master plan. It's the only way to manage that kind of chaos. Planners use a classic strategy: divide and conquer. You break the whole thing down. It's called a work breakdown structure, or WBS. Think of it like a family tree for tasks. It maps out everything from the foundation right up to the building's skeleton. Okay, so you've got all the tasks. Now, how do you put them in the right order? For construction, planners use a tool called CPM. For R&D, they might use something called PERT. CPM finds the critical path. Any delay on this path delays the entire project. No exceptions.
All right, the plan's locked in. Time to call in the heavy lifters.
You've got your excavators for deep digging and bulldozers to clear the way.
Then to go vertical, the tower crane is king, helped by hoists for people and supplies. But what about the concrete? How do you get tons of it way up to the 15th floor?
It's actually a pretty simple three-step journey: mix, transport, and pump. This whole process needs a batching plant, a transit mixer, and one massive concrete pump. You know, it's not just about the machines. There's a hidden logic to the site itself.
A smart layout prevents accidents. And materials, like cement, have an expiration date.
All right, you've seen the plan and the machinery. Time for a quick pop quiz.
First up, on that critical path, how much float or slack time is there?
And the answer is 0. There is absolutely no room for delays on the critical path.
Okay, next question. How do you get heavy steel to the top of a 12-story building?
That would be the tower crane, of course. It's built for that heavy, vertical work. And finally, what's the main job of a batching plant on a big construction site? It's all about one thing: mixing massive amounts of concrete with total precision. So you can plan everything with military precision, but how do you account for us?